Okay, so they said, I know of someone on a manifesting group who has been manifesting her specific person for years. What kind of movement could that be? I mean, years. So we are going to get into that. So the first thing I want to say is, once the seed is planted and you start embodying the state of consciousness of having what you want right now and being who you want to be, if you had your desire, no one can tell you when a desire will manifest and come to fruition in your reality. So once the seed is planted, it can happen 5 minutes from now, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. We don't know. The other thing I want to say is we don't know what is going on subconsciously with that person. We don't know what the limiting beliefs are that are embedded in their subconscious mind. They can be doing everything right and the bridge of events is just taking place and their manifestation still hasn't come into fruition, and that's okay. But we don't know what the limiting beliefs are in this person's mind. We don't know how they are perceiving love and relationships. We don't know how they are perceiving themselves. We don't know the story that they have going on about their specific person. They can be embodying the state of having what they want for a short time, and then throughout the day, they are completely focused on the opposite story, the unfavorable story. The other thing is we don't know if this person has been focused on time. We don't know if they're embodying the state and then next thing you know, they're focused on, okay, it's been this long since I've heard from my specific person, or looking out into the 3D to see if they see any movement, or looking out and saying, okay, I've affirmed for this long. Why isn't it here yet? Where is it going to come from? We don't know what's going on in that person's mind. It's important to just remember that we are not waiting for anything. We already have our desire now, because the minute that you desire something, creation is finished. Time is an illusion. Time's not real, but we're so used to focusing on the linear time. But we have to still just remember, okay, once I desire something and I'm embodying that state of having what I want right now, creation's finished. I am experiencing this right now in the 4D. There's already a parallel reality existing where I have what I want right now. And if I align my thoughts and I feel as if I am that person right now that has what I want, it's not my job to focus on the time and focus on where it's going to come from. That's up to when it happens. And the last thing is, we don't know their beliefs on manifestation. We don't know if they're telling themselves, you know what, this doesn't work for me. Why is everybody else getting their manifestations but me? I don't think I'm doing this right. I'm definitely not doing this right because I should be seeing movement by now. I always get, the money I want, or I always get, if I want a car or a job, but when it comes to manifesting a specific person, it just does not work for me. So manifestation is not real. We don't know their beliefs on that. So again, we don't know when a manifestation will come into fruition in the 3D, and every single person is different. We all have our different beliefs. So that's it. And I hope that this answered your question. Follow me for more tips.